Hello, babe. Just wanted to wish you a happy 60th birthday. I'm so excited that we were able to do this diri sa Iloilo. Nga upod mo, family mo, friends mo, and maka-enjoy din kita. You know how much you mean to me. I am always grateful that you are in our lives, especially with our children. We wish you good health and happiness for many years to come. Happy birthday. We love you.
This is your day. Happy birthday. Ang last time nga daw serious naton nga conversation dito sa Qualimeds ng Gaulat kita sa kay Chris, ang aton nga Grab driver. And you mentioned nga, Meg, daw amo lang tagyapo, no? Tambay-tambay. Siling ko, sabat ko sa iya, yes, mga 40 years ago, gatambay ta pro, gatsinilas lang ta to, pro gakaon ta ice cream. Subong niya gatambay ta pro, gakarga, kagalukdo kita sa mga problema. Amugin man nagurong life, no? Nevertheless, kadlaw man kami gyapon. Kag subong siguro, tuduan ta pagit kadlaw, kag enjoy kay ma-celebrate tas ang birthday mo. This is your day, although ang actual nga birthday mo was, happy birthday man gyapon. We celebrate with you and we thank God nga ari ka mo ni Lauren to celebrate this special occasion with all of us. So, i-enjoy the kidney. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Jing. 60. It's your 60th year, a milestone nga you are privileged to celebrate. And I'm glad to celebrate it with you, with Lauren, with family and friends. The past has been a challenging one for you. Of course, amon man, mera man. But I'm glad that you have reached this far with God's grace. And I'm sure that He will bring you malawig pa sa future. Many more years to come. God bless you and more joys ahead. Happy birthday!
Hi, Dij! Happy gig ko na for the first time after so many years, naka-spend ka disang birthday sa amon. You turned 60, the same month I will turn 65. Ari lang di permisi man ang nani, in happiness, kag sa mga problema, basta ari lang ko di permi. Kay balaan mo naman, si Tita Grena, kag si Mami Bao, daw mag-utod, gina sila. So in behalf sang aton family, kag balaan ko, plangga mo gid si Tuto, ang brother ko, and everybody here, I wish you a happy 60th birthday. Happy birthday, and may God bless you even more.
Jing, 60 ka na. Senior citizen ka na, boss. Since kindergarten of the night kita, hasta subong. Ara lang kami da ni JP, kaya pamilya, kaya kitahanon in case may problema. But our prayer would be that the Lord will bless you with good health and wisdom sa tanan-tan mga challenges sa kapatid. God bless. Happy birthday.